Hi, welcome to Billy's Auto Sales. Today we're showing you a 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with a 6.0 Vortec motor in it. Has LT 16-inch tires that are like new. Just installed the tow mirrors on it. Has a big rack on it where a tire company owned it. She's not perfect. It's a great work truck. Runs out great. It's a long bed. This bed. Not all beat up. A little dirty. We ain't cleaned her yet. Again, another tow mirror that we just installed. .0 fleet maintained. Now here's the best part, folks. We'll get in here and show you how many miles is on this truck. Look at that, folks. 471,431 miles. Glove boxes, a couple little cubbies there. Does have OnStar. There is an ashtray in it. Seats a little tore. But listen to this thing right.